This is the 2014 Domaine Dupre Vignes de 1935 from the Morgon Cru in Beaujolais, France. When you're thinking Beaujolais, you're probably thinking Beaujolais Nouveau, which is that wine that comes out every November, light, almost candied in flavor, meant to be drunk and forgot about, sort of celebrates the harvest. Well, Beaujolais actually has so much more depth and has 10 distinct crus, or sort of specialty communes within the region that give a more distinctive and really characterful and individual flavor within all of them. Morgon, where Domaine Dupre is from, has some of the most full-bodied and concentrated wines in the region, and this bottling here is from 82-year-old vines. And oak-free maturation is giving really direct, depthful fruit character. So you're getting really delicious dried cranberry, dried cherry, a little bit of sort of an orange marmalade character that's really delicious. You're getting also these sort of herbal, spicy notes, almost a peppery flavor that's really distinctive to Beaujolais. A little bit of that earthiness that almost reminiscent of a beetroot or some earthy vegetables. It's got a lot of depth and character right up front, but in a really fresh, approachable, and fruity way. There's a lot of structure here and a lot of body, so it's got sort of oomph behind it. It's got a little bit more character than what you might be expecting if you're familiar with these Beaujolais Nouveau wines. Cheers.